Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read files. So you saw what to do to write files, and it's almost the exact same thing for reading files. Now you'll see we still have our test.txt and our test2.txt. So if I wanted to go here and set it up to read, we'll do test.txt. I can put file equals, and then I'm going to use this open again. I'll do test.txt, and now this time instead of putting a W for write, we're going to put an R for read. Then we're going to put get text equals file.read. Then we can put print get text, and we can put file.close. Now when we run that, you're going to see it says this is a line of text, this is the next line of text, and if we open test.txt, you'll see that's exactly what it says. But now say we want to make this into a function like we did for writing a file. That's real simple. We can do get text again as a variable like we did for get input, but this time we're getting the text out of the file, and again we're going to give it just a double quotes here just to let it know that it's a string, and right now it equals nothing. Then we're going to make our function here, which is going to be read file, and we're going to give it an argument again of name, and then we're going to go file equals open name like before, and again this time we're going to put the R in there, and then we're going to put get text equals file.read, and we're going to put file.close. Then all we have to do is go read file, and remember it's going to be a string, so we want to put it in the quotes, test.text. Now if I run that, what happened? Oh, I forgot to put the print here. Print get text. So now if I run it, you'll see it actually uses that. Now what if I wanted to go read file test2.text? Now you'll see it read them both because this says this is a text file. So you can see why a function would work very well for this, especially if you wanted to set something up where the user can read files, because you can do one simple function like this and have it read multiple files and write in a row too, which is pretty cool. So we do all this one time and that's it, because now instead of having to do it a second time for test2.text, we just threw that right into the function and it worked. Alrighty, so that's reading files, and again showing you the importance and the very usefulness of functions. Alrighty, thanks. I'll see you in the next video.